Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. I make a bunch of random videos, so if you're new here, please subscribe. Maybe I'll create more content that you like. Anyway, for today's video, I'll be creating the iconic Madison beer makeup look. So if you guys are interested in getting this look, then please just keep on watching. This can also literally be an iconic TikTok makeup look because I feel like a lot of girls do this look. So I'm going to show you guys an image of what I'm aiming for, and this is what I got. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. First, I'm going to be applying my moisturizer and my primer. Okay, my next step is foundation. I'm going to be using the Luminous Silk George Armani foundation. This is honestly the best natural looking as well as lightweight foundation I've ever used. I actually bought this for my wedding day and I don't regret it. It lasts a very long time, and although it's pretty expensive, it's totally worth it. It is also super buildable, so if you don't like the natural look, you can build it. Okay, now the next step is to apply your concealer. I'm going to be using the Giorgio Armani concealer. So I do not know if it's Georgie or George. Sorry. But I'm going to apply it on my dark spots. I'm applying it over here to really thin out my nose because Madison Beer has like an amazing nose. Okay, before I blend this, I'm going to also apply my contour. For my contour, I'm going to be using the Naked Shapeshifter Urban Decay palette. We're going to go in with the darkest color. I'm going to be using a brush like this. So I'm going to be contouring around my forehead, then under my cheekbone, and then also under the jawline. And now around my nose. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to use it to go around my nose. Contour it like this, how I did yesterday, to really make it look shaped. Alright, I didn't do a great job, but we're gonna blend this shit out. Alright, start off by blending your concealer. Now let's blend the contour. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. This is called the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. Alright, we're going to take a flat brush and put it under our eyes. We're going to let it bake, by the way, a little bit, okay? So, and over here, put it a little up like this so you get that lift, face lift. Then we're going to put it under our cheekbones. Down the nose a little bit, and a little bit on the forehead. So that's gonna bake for a little bit. While that's doing its job, we're gonna be using a bronzer. This is the Aesthetic Sunset Bronzer. Gonna take a brush like this, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna go around exactly where I contoured. Very lightly. Gonna take a smaller brush or a pointier brush to go around my nose. Alright, I'm gonna take this powder off. And take another blender and blend everything together again. Alright, now we're going to be taking the Cover FX palette, the Perfector Face palette, and I'm going to be using my broken freaking highlighter that I love, but there's still some left. And I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, right here. Alright, I'm going to use a different highlighter because that one is not doing its job. I'm going to use a Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. I see that she applies her highlighter in her inner corner right here, some under the brow and a little on the cheeks. And her blush, she uses an orange shade. Alright, I'm going to be using a couple of different blushes. So first one is a Wander blush. And I'm going to apply that everywhere I see that she has it. So she has it like all the way down here. Alright, let's blend this baby out. Push it up over here so it gives you that facelift. Now I'm going to be using the Pixie Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. And I'm going to apply this bad boy all over my cheeks. Alright, my camera died, so I'm back. I'm going to be using a brown eyeliner to give myself some freckles. Let's see how this goes. I already have some, as you can tell, on my nose. Okay, I think that's enough. And now I'm going to use my hand and I'm going to blend these out. I'm going to take some powder on my brush and try to blend it out. I might take a little bit of the concealer on the tiniest amount and try to go over it. Now I'm going to go back in with my blush and put a little bit more blush on. I feel like she exaggerates her blush, and so I want to do that. It is bloody blended. Sorry, it took a while to blend. That's why I said bloody. We're going to take the peachy color, the light peachy color now. We're going to take this bad bitch right here in the palettes. And I'm going to use my hand, honestly. Look, I'm wearing peaches. That was ew. Sorry, I'm weird. Got a problem with it? I don't give a shit. Just kidding. I love you all and I do care what you think about me. It's like, okay, we're gonna put that on the lid right here. We're probably gonna have to make that more orange, I think. Yes, we do. Go back in with the orange. And put it right here again. Okay, I think that looks better. I'm gonna go back in with a peach and apply it on my lid over here. I think it looked better if you put on concealer and then put the peach, the lighter peach, but I cannot do that any longer. The ship has sailed. Now it's time for the eyeliner, what worries me the most. Ow. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D eyeliner. You can't see anything on it because I use it so much. And we're gonna try to achieve Madison there. Alright. It's really thin and it's really pointy. Okay. I think this looks better than this. This is just the outline, by the way, so I'm gonna like, what the fuck is this? Now that I know that I like this one better, I'm gonna delete this like it never happened. Delete, like I delete that X that never happened. Alright, let's give it a try, baby. Let's give it a try again. Alright, I'm struggling with my eyeliner today, but we're gonna try make it. Okay, so this one is like spot on her liner, but this one, it's a sister, it's not a twin. But anyway, now she goes into her inner corner and she also uses the eyeliner there, so I'm going to do that. So I'm gonna take the NARS eyeliner, and it's not fucking sharpened, and I'm gonna light my waterline. To finish the eye look, I'm gonna be using the Milk Kush mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the Cover FX palette, and I'm gonna use this brightener in the inner corner of my eye. Alright, so in the picture that I show you guys, she uses a orange lipstick. This is the closest shade I have, so I'll be using this lip liner and the Sephora lipstick. Sorry, my hands are super dirty. Here is the final look. I actually really like it. Oh my gosh. Why didn't God give me colored eyes? I'd be breaking hearts. I'd break my man's heart. I'd break your man's heart. I'd break your daddy's heart. Just kidding. Let me stop. But yeah, I really like this look. I think I pulled it off pretty good. I can sing. You want to hear a song? Nah, I'll save it for another day. Alright guys, if you like this look, please make sure to leave a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below your favorite makeup product that I used, or anything you want to really. And please subscribe. Every little engagement that you do with my videos, it really helps my channel grow. I love you guys all. I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next video.